Oh, what's up, man? You home early today?
Yeah, the instructor let us out early today.
Oh, that's what's up. So you had a good morning then?
Yeah, I had a good morning. How about you?
It was cool. Nothing special. Just been studying for a test next week.
Okay, I see. I got a question I wanted to ask you, though.
All right, what's the question?
I was just wondering if I could give you back shot.
Man, what the hell are you talking about? I'm your homeboy, not your girlfriend.
Nah, I know that, bro. I was just saying. You got a nice backside.
So you saying you been checking me out, though?
No, not like that. I started nursing school this morning, so I wanted to practice giving shots to the patient's back.
Oh, okay. Well, congrats, man. What do you need me to do?
I just need you to turn around and bend over for me.
Bend over, man? What type of freaky procedure are you trying to do? I didn't say you could do a prostate exam on me.
I'm not trying to do a prostate exam on you. I was just telling you to bend over so I could get a good angle for the shot, because you kind of tall, man.
Oh, all right. So you just want me to bend my knees a little bit? How's this? Is that good enough?
Yeah, that's perfect. So, how do you want me to come?
Yo, pause, man. That was out of pocket, and you know
Out of pocket? How? I'm just asking because I can come to the left side of your back or the right side of your back.
Oh, okay. Well, just do the left side then, because the rest of my back is kind of sore.
All right. Well, can you get on both knees for me?
Look, I'm not getting on my knees for another man, so you're going to have to figure out a different way to do it.
All right. That's fine. Now I just need you to turn around and twerk for me then.
That's it. I'm out of here.
Come on, man. Don't leave me hanging. I can explain.